Welcome back, Focus learners, to another explainer. Today, we're tackling a massive question for anyone who really values their digital privacy, but, doesn't necessarily want to open their wallet. We are on a very specific mission today, finding a reliable, completely zero-cost digital privacy solution for your iOS devices. And honestly, the absolute best part, we're looking for something that completely skips the headache of creating accounts, remembering passwords, or worst of all, handing over your personal email address. If you want seamless private security on your iPhone or iPad without all the red tape, well, you're in the perfect place. Okay, let's dive into this. The core question that brought us all here today is super simple. What is the best free VPN for your iPhone in 2026? The digital landscape is always shifting, right? And app stores are absolutely flooded with options that promise you the world for free, but then they turn around and secretly harvest your data or throttle your internet speeds to an absolute crawl. No way. We needed an answer based on actual performance, genuine privacy, and a totally seamless user experience drawn directly from our source material today. And I'm not going to make you wait around or guess. Right out of the gate, taking the absolute crown for iOS this year is ProtonVPN. By cutting straight to the chase and revealing the winner right now, I want to make sure we spend our valuable time today unpacking exactly how you can get this powerful little tool up and running on your personal device. But first, out of the literal hundreds of so-called free VPNs out there, we really need to look at the data to see exactly why this specific app is the undisputed champion for 2026. Section 1. Why ProtonVPN wins. The features that matter. Before we get into the nuts and bolts of the actual iOS installation, it's incredibly important to understand what free actually means in this context, right? And what features you actually get to keep. So, the crucial point is that it all comes down to four major factors. First off, ProtonVPN is highly regarded globally for its strict privacy standards. That is exactly the baseline you want when routing your personal data. Second, and guys, this is a true rarity, there's absolutely no account needed to start. None. Third, even on their entirely free plan, they let you change your server and switch your virtual country, which gives you incredible flexibility. And finally, the speeds. Unlike other free tiers that intentionally slow you down just to push a paid upgrade, the speeds here are consistently very good. I want to pause on that second point for a second, because it's an absolute game changer. The continuous guest feature is a frictionless option allowing users to basically bypass account creation and begin using the free service immediately without sharing personal details. In the world of free software, your data is usually the currency. By giving you a guest option, they are fundamentally respecting your privacy from the very first tap. It's a massive, extremely user-friendly selling point that really sets this app apart from the rest of the pack. Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 2, getting the app from App Store to your screen. We've got the why down, so let's look at the how. When you open up the App Store and search for ProtonVPN, pay close attention. You are looking specifically for the app titled ProtonVPN, Fast and Secure. There are tons of copycats out there trying to mimic the branding, so double-check that the name matches perfectly before you hit that little cloud or get icon to download it. Section 3, the setup process. Configuring your connection. Okay, so the app is installed. Now, setting up a VPN used to mean digging through deep phone settings and typing out manual IP addresses. It was a whole shebang. But today, it's beautifully simple. Open the ProtonVPN app, select that continuous guest option we just talked about, and simply tap the X in the top left to skip right past the paid subscription screen. We are sticking strictly to the free tier today. Next, once you tap Connect, iOS will naturally step in with a prompt asking to add VPN configurations. Just select Allow. Now, you might be wondering, is this safe? Absolutely. This is just Apple's standard essential security step to give the app permission to route your internet traffic safely. You'll just need to unlock your iPhone to verify your identity, authorize the prompt, and boom, you're through. And this brilliantly illustrates just how seamless modern security has become. Just like that, your digital shield is up. Look for the small VPN icon to appear in the top right of your screen or when you pull down your control center. Inside the app, you'll see your status has shifted to Protected. You're now on a highly secure, entirely free connection. It's literally that easy. Section 4. Managing your connection. Servers, and disconnecting. Now that the engine is running, you actually have some really impressive control. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is that by simply tapping Change Server, you can switch your virtual location to a completely different country for free, Honestly, that is a rare premium feeling benefit for a free tier. It lets you explore different regional connections with just a single tap. And of course, when you want to return to your normal connection and end the VPN session, you just hit disconnect. It's incredibly intuitive. Which brings us to a rather exciting thought to wrap up our explainer today. With a free, highly secure connection right at your fingertips, what country will you browse from today? You now have the exact blueprint to seamlessly protect your digital footprint on iOS without spending a single dime or even providing an email address. You are fully empowered with real, functional digital freedom. So, fire up that app, explore those global servers, and take complete control of your online privacy. Thanks so much for joining me today, Focused Learners. Stay curious, stay secure, and we'll catch you in the next explainer.